What's up, you Bold Beauty Boss? In this video, I'm going to share with you three, uno, dos, say it, tres, right? One, three easy words that you already know that are going to help do. So I got three magic words that's going to help add more momentum to your post, add a little bit more drama for your mama, for your post, and then also how to properly conclude that post. So these three magical words that you already know that you're using every day. I use it every day. I think if I do and this is going to be a good one. So appreciate the posts that I appreciate the posts I'm going to see from you, because when you do more better, then I see your post and I don't bang my head against the wall and I'm like, dang, come on, yo, make better posts. So we're gonna make better posts together. Be aggressive. Be. If you don't know me, this is your boy Wick. Wicka. Shut up. And if you're new to the group, so many people are, you might be asking yourself, Wick, why do you spend so much time, energy that you do to help us estheticians? Why, Wiki? What's your angle? My angle is this. I see a lot of estheticians needlessly struggling in this industry. Average esthetician, according to statistics that I found on the internet, is saying estheticians, the average esthetician is doing about 3,000 a month. And I'm on a mission to at least double that number. So that's my goal. That's why I'm here. Because if I can help you do good, if I can help you do better in terms of not the esthetician part, the money, the dinero, these things, this part, right? You do better in that, then it's a win-win for us all. So that's why I do this. Okay, what are these three magic words? Okay, the three magic words are and, but, and so. And, but, so. How do we use these magic words to bring some momentum? How can we use the words to add some drama? You need drama to kind of get things kind of marinating, perpetuating, or something ing, right? And the word so to conclude, it's like this. Like I talk about acne a lot. Go, you know what? Acne is, 80% of the world has struggled with acne at some point of their life, right? Not only is it the acne that they're dealing with, it's also the acne scar. So if you're struggling with acne and acne scars, the purpose of that word and is to add more. It's a momentum. If you're not only struggling with acne, you're struggling with acne and acne scars, right? So if you're sick and tired of dealing with acne and acne scars, and you've gone to the stores, but the drama part, but there are so many options out there that you might feel overwhelmed by the products, the advertisements, the backing, or whatever, that you just don't know what is right for you. Hey, my name is Wick. So that is why, and then that, I almost put that is why with the so. So that is why I created this simple, easy, skin test that you can do at home, or skin quiz, or that's why I created this acne system to take all the guesswork of what is going to be the right solution for you in your skin, right? So again, look at the flow. Look at the flow. Very simple, very easy. And the word and adds momentum. You're saying something and this. The word but means the problem, the conflict, the drama. And the word so, it leads to that conclusion. If you are sick and tired of dealing with fine lines, wrinkles, and the crow's feet that have been creeping, walking, those crows are walking on your face at night, the crow's feet and the crow's feet, right? you're sick and tired of that, but you're not quite sure what is the best way to handle it, because you've tried all those different creams, lotions, and potions before. You're just not quite sure. You've tried it all, but they just didn't, but they just didn't work for you. I've got the perfect thing for you. Hey, my name is Wick. This is why crow's feet, fine lines, and wrinkles, this is why I created a solution, so that you can finally have the beautiful skin that you want. So kind of play around with it a little bit. Again, use that format. If you're struggling with this and this, if you've I just stick with acne because it's just easy for me, right? If you're struggling with acne and you've tried all the products out there, but they just didn't work for you, right? I know exactly why, and this is it. Hey, my name is Wick. I deal with so many people that are dealing with the acne scars, and they've tried everything, but they didn't get the results. So I created this free consultation just for you. Your skin is as unique as you are. So sometimes some of these products that are on the shelf may not work for you because they weren't made for your skin. Does that make sense? That's why I've created this, that's why I created this thing, so that you can finally be rid of the acne that you've tried to do all by yourself. Please click the link below, sign up for your free consultation and this might be the key that you've been looking for an acne-free life. Click the link below, blah, blah, blah. So that's like an example of how it goes. So use these words. And do me a favor, just because, again, I'm like a teacher. I'm always trying to give homework assignments because I want you to get, to see is one thing, to hear is another thing, to do is to learn. So when you do it, you learn. So in the comments below, make a quick sentence. Are you dealing with acne, and you've tried everything? Are you dealing with rosacea and, have, do you try to get perfect brows, and you're always having a hard time shaping them evenly? That works, right? That you've tried it all, but you just don't know what is the best way. What are the right brows that should be on my cranial area, right? That is why I finally created this solution, so that you can finally have the brows you've always wanted without any of the guesswork. Click the link below, sign up for a free consult, blue, 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 blue. And blah. So you just go from there. But do make a quick sentence. Again, it doesn't have to be a big ass paragraph. I just want to hear those 3 words: and, but, so. And again is momentum. You're saying something, and you're putting some fire on the fuel. You put fire on the fuel, or fuel on the fire, whichever you prefer. It's fire on the fuel is probably a little bit more explosive. Fuel on the fire probably adds. So let's just say fuel on the fire. So and adds a little bit more fuel to the fire. But adds a drama. You've done all this, but what? Drama for your mama. And then so gives the conclusion of what you've come up with. Try that. Put it in your post. Do it in your video. Have some fun with it. And now but more importantly, now you know some of the purposes of these words and how you can spice up your posts by adding momentum, by adding drama, and giving your clients a conclusion, a action step for them to take, so you can make and bake some more bread. Hopefully this was of value to you. I learn things, I share these things with you that I learn and earn, so you can do more better. So do more better. On the comments, put your and, but, so real quickly. I just need sentences. I don't need life stories, right? Just whatever you feel comfortable with, I'm cool with that. We'll all learn better together. Peace out. Be amazing.